Most people think Brazilian waxing is simple. But step inside a real esthetician training day and you'll see a world few ever witness. It's not just about removing hair. It's about understanding the skin, its rhythm, its limits, its language. Every smooth finish you've ever seen began right here, with precision, pressure and heart. Before any wax strip is touched, comes hours of theory. Estheticians study anatomy, hygiene and skin physiology like scientists. Because this work isn't cosmetic, it's technical. A single mistake can irritate, inflame or scar. That's why real professionals move with respect, every hand movement backed by science and safety. Behind every confident smile is a student who once stayed late just to master the perfect angle. Then comes the first challenge. The first mannequin. The first motion. The first small victory. This is where learning meets reality. At first, every movement feels unsure, too slow, too cautious, too careful. But confidence grows one repetition at a time. Under the watchful eyes of mentors, mistakes become lessons, and lessons become skill. A professional's rhythm looks effortless, almost like choreography. Apply. Hold. Pull. Soothe. Every motion balanced, every second counted. Speed reduces pain. Technique reduces fear. Every move says, you're safe, you're cared for, you're in good hands. That's what separates a technician from an artist, knowing that beauty is born from empathy and control. Precision isn't just skill, it's a form of respect. True professionals know the wax is only half the story. Aftercare is where trust begins. Cooling gels, product advice and simple reassurance, these moments build loyalty. And behind every successful studio lies structure, scheduling, sanitation and communication. Clients don't just remember how smooth their skin felt. They remember how safe they felt in your care. The journey doesn't end with graduation. It only evolves. New waxes. New techniques. New clients. The best estheticians stay curious. They learn. They adapt. They grow. Because excellence isn't a destination, it's a daily decision. Every smooth finish begins with someone's quiet dedication to doing it right. Thank you for joining us at MTech Health. If this glimpse behind the scenes inspired you, subscribe for more real stories from the world of wellness and professional care. Because beauty deserves expertise, and mastery starts with curiosity. Stay inspired. Stay confident. Stay smooth.